Hello, my name is Nakia, and I'm a Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my weekly YouTube videos, blog posts, and email newsletter, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life at Home. In the course of 5 days, you will receive an email from me which gives you tips and suggestions on how to keep your home or maintain a company-ready home at all times. I will leave information about that course in the description box below. And I'm also proud to announce that I have launched, or I have recently published, my 2024 Divine Life at Home Planner. This planner is awesome, and it comes in a dated version for 2024 and an undated version. So we basically have the best of both worlds. I will leave information about my planner in the description box below, and also a link if you're available for it. So as the title of this video suggests, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons or 5 advantages of renting a booth at a vendor mall. Now, first of all, a few years ago, I did a video explaining what a vendor or an antique mall is. It's basically a haven where you can find all types of unique things for your home and your home decor. Number 1, the first advantage is you're actually turning your clutter into cash. Yes, hard-earned cash. It is amazing, when you look at your home, if it's cluttered and you have so many different things, I always say remove the clutter and you can appreciate what you have. So by renting out a spot at a vendor booth or a vendor mall and putting your cluttered items there, maybe someone is in need of something. I mean, I don't want to clutter someone else's home, but if someone wants this unique piece that is being overshadowed in my home, I would love to give it a second home and also make a few dollars in the same time. So turning clutter into cash is my number 1 reason. Number 2, you actually have an option or an opportunity to create a little mini boutique for yourself. Now, I've had vendor spots before, I've had showroom space before, but this small little boutique that I have right now is just perfect. I just have some select items. I'm actually partnering with a pillow maker, and he's making some beautiful, some fabulous custom pillows for me that's going to go into my boutique. So having a vendor spot is great if you are someone that just wants an area where you can have your own items. Maybe you're a candle maker. Maybe you are a pillow maker. Maybe you make centerpieces or anything, and you just want a space and you don't need a big area. So a vendor mall is an excellent opportunity to have your own boutique. Number 3, low overhead costs. So if you're not in a position to rent out an entire commercial location, getting a vendor booth is an excellent way to do it without having to worry about the overhead costs. You don't have to worry about electricity or plumbing or lighting or having to hire someone to maintain it or a staff. You're basically just taking care of your booth, your vendor spot, your shelf, your cabinet, whatever it is. And it's excellent because you pay whatever your percentage is, and they'll have the staff that's there. So you don't even have to be there. You place your items there and you go on about your business. And the staff, the vendor staff, typically will take care of bringing your customers up and giving the items or handling that transaction. So it is very low overhead costs, and you can kind of set it and forget it. I don't recommend actually setting it and forget it. Like for me, like I said, I've been in my place for a week and I've probably been there every other day because items are selling, so I'm having to restock. I tried to take a video of my little space, and every time I go, I say, oh, I'm going to add something to it, and I get ready to take the video and someone buys something off of it. So I never was able to get a complete video with everything I wanted, which is a good thing. You want these items to sell. Number 4, networking opportunities. I've had the most wonderful experience with the other vendors and the vendor mall staff this past week. It has been amazing. I've met some amazing people from the customers to the vendors themselves, and you can learn a lot. My motto in life is every person I meet, I can learn something from them. whether it's something positive or something negative. But I've actually learned a lot from the vendors. And also, once you're there for a while, you'll have some of your regular customers that will want certain things or they're looking for certain things. And it's really great to see what different people want. And then also, maybe something that you need or some information that you have for that vendor or for that client. Number 6, community involvement. Now, community involvement is one of my favorite reasons for having my vendor booth. I am a vendor at Knick Knacks Mall, which is in Duncanville, Texas. It's one of the suburbs in the DFW Metroplex. So if you're not familiar with DFW, basically it's Dallas, Texas. But Knick Knacks has been around forever and they do wonderful things for the community. Right now, or for October, they're having a silent auction. So I will have the details of the silent auction in the description box below. However, I met with Miss Peggy of Peg's Couture a few days ago, and she's going to give us a little information about the silent auction. Okay, and this is Miss Peggy of Peg's Couture. She does wonderful things throughout the community. I'm going to show you her booth or her boutique, but first I'm going to let her explain to you one of the things she's doing right now for October.
Hello, everybody. I'm Peggy with Peg's Couture, and I want to show you some of the things that I'm going to have on this coming Saturday and Sunday for the Shop for the Cure. October is breast cancer awareness, so every year I always have a sale in my booth, but this time I'm going to do something special. I'm going to have a silent auction, and it will be on Saturday, it will be from 12 to 4, and then on Sunday, it will be from 1 to 4. So come out, support the cause. I sure would appreciate it. So these are some of the things that I have put together here that's beautiful. I'm going to have breast cancer scarves. Uh, I have tumblers here that's going to be for sale in my booth. And I have even desktop notepads for you. So I have a lot of pink things, but also throughout my booth, you will be able to come in, just shop for yourself, shop for your loved ones, and we're just going to have a great time.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for sharing this information for my followers. I'm going to be sure to put this out on not just the YouTube channel, but also Instagram and social media as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
Okay, thanks for coming back. So as you can see, there are some amazing things or some amazing opportunities for having a spot at a vendor mall. I am so excited about this opportunity. Now, if you are in the DFW Metroplex, please check out the silent auction. Then also come to the Knick Knacks boutique or the Knick Knacks vendor mall. It is in Duncanville, Texas. Also, my book, the 2024 Divine Life at Home Planner, is there on the shelf. So if you want a planner and you're just in the area, you don't want to order it online, you can go there and pick one up along with many, many other things. So I hope you found this information interesting. Please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. Thanks very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.